If you're a telecom tech, a fiber installer, or anyone who bounces between cross connects, NIDs, and CATV closures all day long, this is the kit that keeps you moving. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the M-216CEXKIT from Jonard Tools, a telecom security key and can wrench kit built to handle just about every fastener you run into out in the field. Here are some key highlights you'll want to know. 4-in-1 socket coverage. You get the M-216C/EX can wrench plus the reversible SK-71632 security insert. That's 7/16 inches, 3/8 inches, 5/16 inches, and 5/32 inches all in one compact setup. Tight space performance. Thin-walled, 1 1/4 inch deep sockets reach into cramped enclosures without stripping or catching. Added torque when you need it. Both socket exteriors are hex-shaped so you can grab them with an external wrench and break loose stubborn fasteners. Built tough, built to last. Heat-treated alloy steel, an ergonomic high-impact handle, and bright orange visibility, this kit is made for real job site abuse. This can wrench gives you the classic 7/16 inch and 3/8 inch hex sockets used throughout Telecom and CATV, but Jonard adds that extra depth and thin wall design so you're not fighting clearance issues. Everything locks in snug, nothing rattles, and the tool feels solid in the hand thanks to that thermoplastic handle. It's simple, fast, and built for techs who don't want to carry 3 different tools to do the same job. So if you want a compact, rugged, field-ready solution for all your telecom security fasteners, check out the M-216CEXKIT from Jonard Tools. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.